You're watching Comedy Central, and helping us count down the nation's favorite Friends episodes, it's Janice.
I'll be honest, when I first heard about the Moist Maker, I thought it sounded like something Joey would say was his nickname in high school. But seriously though, Ross really needs to work on his anger issues.
The nation's favorite Friends episodes, number 18. We're celebrating Friends turning 20 by counting down your favorite ever episodes. And here with a hint of which one's next, it's Janice.
A jellyfish stung Monica at the sea. So Chandler had to save her with his pee. Listen, let this be a warning to you. This is what happens when you leave the safety of New York City.
The nation's favorite Friends episodes, number 14. We're counting down what you picked as the nation's favorite Friends episodes. And sometimes it's all about learning new things. Just ask Janice.
I totally admire Joey for trying to learn a new language, but oh my God, he's not exactly Mr. International. I mean, Phoebe should teach him Joey stuff. What's French for how you doing?
The nation's favorite Friends episodes, number 5. We've been celebrating Friends turning 20 with a countdown of your favorite episodes, and we're almost at the end. Let's see what Janice has to say about what you picked at number 2.
Here's a riddle. What's bright orange and likes getting married a lot? Don't get me wrong, Ross is a great guy, but how hard is it to work a tanning booth?
The nation's favorite Friends episodes, number 2.